Want to fix Facebook Messenger stuck on sending? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix Facebook Messenger stuck on sending. Now, the first thing you want to do is close the Messenger application completely. Once you close it, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. All the applications on your device will be shown over here. Scroll down and find Messenger, then tap on that. Now tap on the option of Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. Once that is done, open Messenger app and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Messenger. Now, if you find an update button over here, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once that is done, tap on open. Now, check if your problem is fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.